as we prepare for the next season, of course the athletes have taken a break. Now they're coming back. We had weekend meetings already. We are going for the third one, and in preparation for the World Indoor that will be held in United Kingdom in March. Already, as Address Kenya, we have selected the provisional team that will be competing, and we have started also the process of visa application so that we don't have problems when the team is ready. So we have proper preparation. The programs that has already been set is in place and is running smoothly. There will be quite a lot of competitions. We have Olympic Games in Paris 2024, that is in August. World Under 20 Championship in Cali, Colombia, towards the end of August. And before then, we'll be having the Kipino Classic on the 20th of April, and then definitely in June.